Greetings, folks. William C. Rogers back at you again with another video. And today we're going to discuss the most common problem that all marketers or anyone who is trying to promote anything online has. And you know what that problem is? Lead generation. Why is it so hard to continuously find the leads you need who are interested in your offer? And even after that, how do you convert those leads into paying customers? This seems to be the biggest difficulty. But today what we have is a special lead generation software that allows you to build viral funnels. Now, what do we mean by viral funnels? Well, this is all under the subject of viral marketing. And these funnels consist of those web pages that you've been seeing lately, especially across social media, where you're either playing some type of game or some type of quiz that you take. And for the answers that you give on the quiz or the game that you play, you receive reward points. These reward points then go to a certain gift, whether it be downloadable gift or a free access pass or some part of your service that you have that you can offer for free or as an incentive. This is the power of viral marketing. And as more people start sharing through the viral component, they'll take the quiz, they'll answer the questions or do whatever the instructions has so they can get their free bonus. Whatever those instructions are, they'll follow that. And then immediately after, there's a component built in that causes them to have to share it with friends. All this sharing to friends who share to friends who share to friends creates a viral trend, creates a positive domino effect that brings leads and leads and leads to your particular offer. And if you go to the easymoneysite.biz blog, you'll see I have a recent post here about the viral lead software, and you're more than welcome to come to easymoneysite.biz to check it out. But what I really want you to do is find out about the software creators and get a chance to see exactly what their vision is, what their purpose for the software is, and most importantly, a quick demonstration on how to use it. So if you just stay forward, just keep in tune to this video, and I'll go ahead and bring you right on over to the software developers for the viral lead funnel gen app software. Stay tuned. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello, this is Ifiok NK, and welcome to Viral Lead Funnels. In this video, I will show you a demo of this revolutionary software. But first, let me begin by showing you an example of a viral lead funnel. A viral lead funnel allows you to generate leads by giving away something valuable for free. When people sign up, they get access to your lead magnet and become your subscribers. Now, this is the interesting part. These new subscribers then get their own unique link to share your campaign with their friends and family to unlock further rewards. This creates a viral loop where every new subscriber goes through the same 2 steps and sends you even more subscribers. With viral lead funnels, you can easily create viral contests, giveaways, sweepstakes, or even a viral waiting list in just minutes. Let's get started by creating a new campaign. You can choose if you want to use our landing page builder to create a landing page for your new campaign, or you want to create a widget that you can use on your current page builder like ClickFunnels, WordPress, GroovePages, Funnelvio, and any other page builder. You can build from scratch or choose any of our done-for-you templates. Let's build from scratch. The first step is to create a landing page for your campaign. You can create more than one and test for the winner. Drag and drop sections to build your landing page. You can delete any section or rearrange the sections. Everything is editable. Let's start by editing the text. You can also modify the backgrounds of any section. You can upload your images to the gallery or choose from our library of over 7 million royalty-free stock images to make your page beautiful. We have a smart opt-in form. You can choose either a direct opt-in form like this or a two-step opt-in form. The two-step opt-in will require your visitors to click on a button before the opt-in form appears as a pop-up. This makes use of a psychological principle called commitment and consistency. Because visitors have completed the first step by clicking the button, they're more likely to do the second action, enter the email. If you choose the two steps, you can preview and edit the pop-up. Still on the opt-in, you can enable the Opt-in with Facebook button to allow your visitors to opt in with their Facebook account so you can capture their best email address. You can also kill 3 birds with 1 stone by building SMS, email, and messenger list at the same time. You can enable Messenger opt-in and paste your Messenger bot opt-in code here. This is to create urgency and get your visitors to take action. You can set up evergreen or countdown timers. We have a library of objects, illustrations, and transparent people images you can use. Let's save and preview our page. Nice! Let's exit the editor and proceed with our campaign. Let's proceed to configure the rewards. These are the incentives your subscribers will get when they share your campaign and invite their friends to sign up. The first reward we will set up for this campaign is a 25% discount coupon. Users will unlock this reward when they get 30 points. The reward type is coupon. Enter the coupon code that will be given to users when they unlock this reward. The next reward is a PDF file. We can redirect to a URL and enter the download page, or we can upload the file directly here. The third reward is an appointment. We can deliver this reward by email, or we redirect users to an appointment booking page. Let's proceed to actions. Here, you can set how many points you want to reward users for each action completed. Let's set to reward a subscriber 10 points for everybody they refer to sign up. You can also reward points for each share on different social media platforms. You can create custom actions to reward points for any type of action you want, like join my Facebook group, subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment on my post. You're only limited by your imagination. You can set a verification question to prevent people from cheating. Now, let's create a thank you page. The software allows you to create multiple thank you pages. Just drag and drop any section you want and edit. The Social tab allows you to control how your campaign appears on social media when subscribers share their unique link. Here, you can customize the email notifications, like the email users get when they register and when they unlock rewards. Emails are sent from our servers, but you have the option to use your own custom SMTP. Leads are stored for you and can be exported as CSV, but you also have the option to connect directly to third-party autoresponders and Zapier. You can set up your own custom domain for a full white label solution. You can paste any custom script here, like Google and Facebook retargeting pixels. With this feature, you can set up links that automatically sign up anyone who clicks, converting all your existing subscribers into brand ambassadors. This will prevent people who already signed up from doing so again. Our campaign is ready. We have a nice dashboard here to track and analyze your campaign's performance. Let's preview the campaign. Your visitors sign up, receive their lead magnet, and then share their unique link to get their friends to sign up too. Once they reach specified milestones, they unlock rewards. The system creates a viral loop where every new subscriber goes through the same 2 steps and sends you even more subscribers. This is nothing but word-of-mouth advertising taken to the next level. The exact same strategy and technology used successfully by Airbnb, Dropbox, and Uber. The same technology I used to generate 11,000 subscribers from 1,000 visitors. The same technology now available to you, packaged into an easy-to-use yet super powerful cloud-based software. We have step-by-step tutorials to guide you through everything, and also, our team is on standby to help if you get stuck. Go ahead, grab your access now before our special Founders Deal expires. See you inside!
Awesome software, right? I know. You see how easy it was to use? How easy you can just drag and drop elements on a page? How simple it is to make your particular reward and delivery system? Do you see how easy it would be for your particular content to go viral? Do you see the sharing nature of this? It's automatically built in. You can't help but get tons of people coming to your link. If you use this, if you put the Viral Lead Funnels app in place first. And that's great that you can make all these great quizzes and these great reward type bonus pages and whatnot, but you're still going to need the initial traffic to get to these pages. So as a special bonus, if you decide to go ahead and check out Viral Lead Funnels from me, William C. Rogers, I'm going to give you access to my traffic button page, and that's what we have right here on the behind the screen here. It's just the traffic buttons. You can use these resources to get interested people to visit your business opportunity links and affiliate marketing pages. You would come to this particular page that I'll give you access to once you're on the inside, and you'll just click on any one of these buttons for the type of traffic you want to try out. I have the best solo ad providers, direct buyer lead traffic, social media influencer traffic, where you'll just blast out a blurb to big time social media influencers. They'll just shoot your ad out to all the followers, no problem. We have viral marketing traffic packages. I even have a whole bunch of training videos that teach you how to get traffic for free organic search engine type traffic. I've got internet marketing training videos to show you other outlets of making money online. I even got some free email swipes you can use to further convert those leads into paying customers. Just wanted to show you that, folks. I know you're going to really love the Viral Leads Funnel software. It's a great app, folks. It's going to build just the right pages you need to convert website visitors into leads, into buyers, into even more traffic funneling into your offer. Hope you go ahead and check it out. Just go to viralfunnels.easymoneysite.info. And once I see that you're in there, I'll go ahead and give you access to the traffic button page, all these trainings that I have for you, and you can go ahead and start using the software and start getting tons of traffic to your offer. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right.